Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve with Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Happy Chinese New Year. It's the year of the rabbits. I haven't updated my fried rice series for quite a while. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called Cumin Fried Rice. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, add 2 tablespoons cumin powder to the rice and thoroughly mixed. The rice can be leftover or freshly cooked. Prepare some scallion, cabbage, and baby shrimp. Add cooking oil to the hot wok. Stir fry a whole egg. Add some scallion. Add baby shrimp and the cabbage and keep stir and fry. Add cumin seasoned rice and keep stir and fry. Add 1 teaspoon salt and chicken bouillon. Add more scallion. Add a tablespoon soy sauce. Add the rest of the scallion this time. Finally, flavor the rice with seasoned oil. This is the cumin fried rice I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.